You childrens, I hope you will be fine. So today I'm gonna make a Pikachu face. So for this purpose I have taken pencil and paper. So I will draw first of all in the middle of the paper its nose. So this is nose, and so side by side I have to draw two eyes. One and here too. So and between the eyes I have to draw white, obviously. So now what you have to do, we have to start from here, but then underneath we will draw a face. Okay, so now the face is open, so we will come down here as well. And you have to make a round, okay, like this. You can do from here correct as well, no problem. It's not, if sometime it's problem. So this is the round tongue, so I will color it later. So first of all I have to draw the upper body, the upper part. I will start from here and I will go till here. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have now the downside, down side of the face, near to the tongue you have to go upside. Okay, here, from here it's good. Now you have to draw side, you have to leave some space for here, ears. So now you have to draw a curvy face to meet here. Okay, nicely done. So here as well you have to do the same, like from here you have to come and meet this point. So from here it's now it's turn to make ears. You can start from here and you have to go long here and like this. Okay, the same we will do here, but this time it's one here is downside, not okay. So come to the point. This is the design, like the yellow and black part both are different. So here what you have to do, the thing is that you have to draw here a circle, the cheeks of Pikachu, one, and here as well. One you have to draw. Okay, so here you have, I have to raise it, and I have to make it round, and here are some problem, we make it as well correct. So nicely done by face. So now what you have to do, you have to make, you can make this crashes, like, because of the speciality of Pikachu is it's like electricity, so you can make here electricity, like it's not state, it's like this. So guys, nicely done till here. So now I will make it with marker, and I will meet you after making marker, and I will meet you after color as well. So children, our Pikachu face is ready after color and after all. So please watch full video every time and have full fun with my video, and subscribe my channel to get more fun. So take care, bye bye, we meet in the next video.